In this quick video, you will learn to set up your own custom domain using Proton Mail. If you're on a free plan, start by upgrading to a Proton Mail Plus plan to enable your custom domain. You can get a 40% discount for Proton Mail Plus on a yearly plan using my affiliate link, which means €3 per month. Or if a year is too big a commitment, you can find a link to a monthly plan with a 20% discount in the description. Alright, let's get started. Begin by going to Settings and Domain Names. Then add your domain name without HTTP. Now we will add the first DNS record, which is a simple text record for validation. Bear in mind that this record needs to stay in your DNS settings, since Proton needs continuous validation that you own the domain. Open up your DNS settings in your hosting provider and add the DNS record. Choose text and add an @ sign under name or hostname. Some hosting providers don't need an @ sign. If in doubt, check their documentation. Now copy over the value and create the record. When clicking Next, you'll most likely be asked to wait an hour until the record has been registered. So grab a coffee and come back again a bit later. Alright, now you can optionally add your own email addresses, but I'll wait till later, so just click Next. Now we'll add the two MX records. So choose MX, set the priority to 10, paste in the value, and create the record. Repeat with the other MX record and remember to set the priority to 20 instead. Lastly, if you have any other MX records in your DNS settings, make sure to delete them since they will cause conflict with your Proton records. Now we'll add the SPF record. Here it's important to check if you already have an existing SPF record in your settings, since you're only allowed to have one SPF record. So if a SPF record already exists, only copy the part saying include spf.protonmail.ch and paste that into the existing SPF record. If you don't already have a SPF record, then just copy the entire record into your DNS settings. Next, we need to paste in these three CNAME records. So go ahead and choose CNAME, copy over the name or host, and finally copy over the value. Repeat for all three records. Finally, we have the last text record, which is a DMARC record. Check if you already have an existing DMARC record in your DNS settings. If not, then go ahead and choose text, copy the name and the value. Finally, click Done. Don't worry if some of the statuses are red, they should become green after some time. Now we can go to Identity and Addresses, My Addresses, and add a Proton address. Now choose your domain name and add the desired email address. In this case, I'm choosing Contact. Bear in mind that you get a total of 10 email addresses with a Proton Mail Plus plan. For the display name, I recommend both adding your name and company name, since this will make it easier for your contacts to search for you and your company in their inboxes. Optionally, change the default email address, which simply makes this email address the first choice when creating a new email. Next, add a signature to your email address. Now go to your inbox and test the new email address. And finally, if you forgot to disable the Proton Mail footer, go ahead and disable that now. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. If you loved it, feel free to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.